Subject EVS, lesson number 1, life cycle of animals. We see many animals around us. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the life cycle of animals. Life cycle means changes in the life of animals, including reproduction. Children, look at these puppies in the picture. And the mother, do you see some similarities? यानी आपको कुछ similarities दिख रहे हैं इनमें? So, yes. Puppies look similar to their mother with the skin tone and their body parts. Look at the butterfly and the caterpillar in this picture. What you can see? Is there any similarity? यानी वो दोनों same दिखते हैं? No. Yes, children. There isn't any similarity between the butterfly and the caterpillar. Now look at the picture and tell me. A hen lays eggs and chicks come out of it. What do kittens come out of eggs? यानी कीटन जो होते हैं बिल्ली के बच्चे वो एग में से आते हैं क्या? जस्ट थिंक एंड आंसर मी. नो, किटन ग्रो इन देयर मदर्स टमी एंड देन born from the mother's tummy. Chick comes out of egg. Look at this picture, children. If we will observe a goat and its kid, there will be no difference in them. There are some animals like goat, cow, buffalo, cat, horse. They do not lay eggs, यानी वो अंडे नहीं देते हैं. They give birth to their babies from their tummy, यानी उनके स्टमक से वो बेबीज को बर्थ देते हैं. There are some animals like ants, butterflies, fish, frogs, snakes that lay eggs. Today we are going to learn a new term, that is a hatch. Hatch means when a hen sits on her eggs to warm them, she is said to be hatching her eggs. यानी वो अंडे को उब देती है और अंडे से चिक. That time when its growth is complete, the chick breaks the eggshells and come out. यानी वो चिक जो रहता है, वो बेबी जो रहता है, वो क्या करता है, उसका ग्रोथ पूरा हो जाने के बाद एक शेल को फोड़ता है और बाहर आ जाता है. Here you can see. Do you know, children, when a hen is hatching her eggs, she becomes aggressive for fear of their safety. यानी वो बहुत गुस्सा रहती है. As she is worried for their safety, यानी उसे अपने बच्चों की रक्षा करनी रहती है. So she attacks anyone who tries to go near the eggs. यानी वो किसी के ऊपर भी अटैक करती है जो अंडे के पास जाने की कोशिश करता है. Children, you can see the similarities between the hen and the chicken. See, they look same. Even their body parts are also same. As I told you, ants, butterflies, fish, frogs, snakes, they also lay eggs. But their eggs are very small, that means tiny. So we cannot able to see them, we cannot notice them like eggs of hen. Children, today we learn that some animals lay eggs, some animals born from mother's tummy, some animals look alike, some animals, young one and adult one, looks different. Ants, butterflies, fish, snakes have tiny eggs. So we cannot able to see such a tiny eggs like the egg of hens.